Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to change name at Gmail, only way. Open Gmail, click the gear icon, choose See All Settings, then go to Accounts and Import to edit your send mail as name. Type the new display name exactly as you want it to appear, save changes, and verify by sending a test email to yourself or a friend to confirm the update appears correctly. Open Gmail and click the gear icon, then choose See All Settings to access full options. Find Accounts and Import, locate Send Mail As, and click Edit Info to change the visible name. Enter your desired display name exactly, click Save Changes, and then send a quick test message to confirm the name update displays correctly for recipients and on your own sent mail. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more helpful tutorials. Quick recommendation. On another note, a book that can truly change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth, and I find its clear advice surprisingly calming during tedious tasks like account management. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you grab it, consider it a tiny reward. Now let's get back to the video. If your new display name doesn't appear right away, be patient because caching or recipients' email clients can delay updates. Remember, this process changes only the display name and not the actual Gmail address, so you keep the same email username. If Google prompts for extra security checks like two-step verification, follow them to complete the change safely, and then recheck by sending a test message to verify the new name appears as expected.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.